Hi guys, just wanted to do a really quick video about how to remove spam from submission, and I saw Omar doing this video, but that just actually don't work anymore, and it's only a year ago, so it doesn't work on mine. But if you have Elementor DB, the database of all the submissions, and you, like me, have a client that is like filled with submissions from some Russian scam. So I want to delete all this spam, and as you can see, it's like 6,000. Maybe not all of them are spam, but most of them are. So how do you edit? Like if I do like this, I can remove those to the trash, and I can say okay to that. And this is in Danish, so but you see there's still a lot of them, and there's like 320 pages. So this is going to take me a year to do so. So to avoid this, I found out that in the screen settings, top right corner up here, you click that and it says amount of subjects or post per page. So I'll just say like 1,000, and I'll say okay. Okay, it doesn't like that, so 999, and yes. And now you can see as I scroll, I can now go really long and hopefully find some spam at the end of it too. Yes, in this case I'll just go like that, and it's going to take a little bit of while because there's so many. And when it's done, I'll just click the same as before and delete 999 at the same time. Anyways, if you like this video, my name is Mark Barner from MacGenie.com. You can also find me as a website editor and branding expert with graphic design as well on Barner Design.